Hey guys, welcome back, and we're gonna do another craft video today. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make these really cool background decorations for your room using any little piece from the internet that you print out. So let's get started. So what you're gonna need is a piece of parchment paper, a picture from the internet. It can be simple, it can be really tough, but the simpler it is, the easier it is to do. You're also going to need scissors and a hot glue gun, and then paint is optional. You don't have to do it, but it looks really cool. So the first step for this craft is you're going to need the picture, and you're going to have to cut out the picture. I've already done that. And for your picture, you can use any type that you want. You could use an animal. I chose a flower because it's nice and simple and it's really easy to do. So I have 3. You can do as many as you want, as big or as small as you want. I think 3 is a good number because I'm gonna experiment with it, and with the different colors that the paint is, it's gonna look really neat after a while. So step 2 is to hot glue everything, not literally everything. So you're going to take your parchment paper. I use this sheet because it's really easy, and it's actually really easy to use. So what you're going to do, you're going to make sure nothing's on the hot glue sheet, and then you're going to put your images or just one image into it, and then fold it. I'm only using the folding because I don't have anything underneath the photos. You can just use a piece of paper, or you can just go on the hardware floor. But see, I have these images inside, and this helps with the hot glue because parchment doesn't stick to the hot glue. So I can easily take the design off. So the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna trace the outline with hot glue. So I'm gonna make 3 flowers out of this with the hot glue gun. So you just finished hot gluing, which is really cool because now you get to do the next step. So you're gonna have 1 or more of your images that you hot glued over with the parchment paper. I have 3, and now it's time for the next step. So I just finished painting mine. I made 1 black, 1 pink, green, blue, and purple, and 1 pink, red, orange, and yellow. Now, once you finish, there's a lot of things to do with your shapes. You can hang them up in your room, put them on a white piece of paper, and frame them, but make sure that they stick or else it's not gonna look very good. So you're done, and now make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. It's going to be down below because that's where it always is. Bye!